If you will be writing JAMB this year and you will be writing mathematics, this is your area of concentration. I'll be giving you the topics from the syllabus that JAMB released, which will help you to pass your mathematics. These topics are topics that JAMB expects you to know. They are topics from which JAMB, UTME, will set their mathematics questions. Maths questions in JAMB are selected from 5 basic areas in mathematics. Those areas, as you can see, are numbers and numerations. We have algebra, we have geometry and trigonometry, we have calculus, then we have statistics. So we'll be looking at the topics under each of these sections. Section number 1 is numbers and numeration. The first topic is number bases. By number basis, we mean converting from base 2 to base 10, conversion from one base to another base, including fractional parts. The second topic is fractions, decimals, approximations, and percentages. Under this, we have fraction, decimals, significant figure, decimal places, percentage errors, simple interest, profit and loss percentage, ratio and proportion, rates, shares, and value-added tax. These are the subtopics under this particular fraction and fraction, decimal, approximation, and percentages. Then we have the third topic under the first section, which is indices, logarithms, and sorts. Indices, logarithms, and sorts. The next topic is sets, types of sets, algebra of set, Venn diagram, and the application. The next section is algebra. Then the first topic under algebra is polynomials, which involve change of subject and formula, factors and remainder theorems, and all the rest. Polynomials. The next is variation, which involves direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, partial variation, percentage increase and decrease. The next is inequalities, analytical and graphical solution to linear inequalities, quadratic inequalities with integral roots only. Then we have progression, which involves nth term of a progression, sum of arithmetic progression and geometric progression, that is AP and GP. The next topic under the second section, binary operations. Then we have sixth topic is matrix and determinants. Let's go to the third section, which is geometry and trigonometry. But then, before we continue, I will encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. If you subscribe, you'll be able to see some of the classes and explanations and tutorials we have done in each of the topics we are mentioned. We have done a lot of topics and even past questions. You will also be able to be notified whenever we post a new video. So subscribe right now. And if you are able to subscribe, go to this comment section and tell me that you subscribe, and I will send you this area of concentration as a PDF. I will send it to you as a gift, appreciating you for subscribing. So subscribe, hit the notification button, and comment that you subscribe, and I will send you this. Then back to this area of concentration. Section 3, geometry and trigonometry. We have Euclidean geometry, we have mesuration, length and area of figures. Then we have loci. The fourth topic is coordinate geometry. The fifth topic is trigonometry. Then we'll now get to the fourth section, calculus. Number 1 topic under calculus is differentiation. Number 2 topic is application of differentiation. Number 3 is integration. Then the final area is statistics, which involves representation of data. The representation of data involves things like frequency distribution, histogram, bar chart, and pie chart. Then measures of location, mean, mode, median of one group, things like that. Measures of dispersion, which involve range, mean deviation, variance and standard form, permutations and combination, and probability. This I've given you is the area of concentration if you are writing JAMB, if you are writing mathematics in JAMB. If you need this PDF, if you need me to send you this in so that you can pay closer attention to it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment that you subscribe so that I will send it to you. I wish you good luck. Ensure that you watch the videos we have posted so that you will learn as you prepare for your JAMB. Good luck once more.